So again, everyone, it's me. We're gonna drive now with the Barefoot. We're gonna drive now with the Barefoot driving. So foot brake, drive, blinker left, and let's go drive. So as I said, I've been to Salon today, and this is my nail colors that I use for driving. And later on, I have to go back for the car wash because I've been to the market also. I was in the market today and put some meat today. Barefoot driving on the way home. I'm on the way home, so I'm gonna tell you tips and tricks in driving here. So there are people that are not comfortable in without shoes, proper shoes. Then wear proper shoes, and of course safety first in driving. And while driving in the mountain, you only have to be aware with the animals like dogs, cats, and people crossing to the street. And now there's a truck after me, reversing. So when you stop using an automatic car, you can just stay your foot in the gas pedal. You don't have to brake. Just drive slowly in the gas pedal. So for new drivers, you can always drive like using this gas pedal, and you just have to drive it just slowly. So for uphill driving, you don't have to use brake with uphill drive unless when you are in a curve. You can just use brake, of course, but what I mean when you are just uphill driving in a straight lane, just keep your foot in the gas pedal. So just like what I do now is I'm just gonna press a little bit to keep your car moving, especially when there is traffic. Just keep pressing your car, and also just be aware for the cars ahead of you that you will not roll back. So if you don't wanna roll back your car so that your car will stay, well, so that your car will not rolling back, you have to be sure that you press the gas when you're using the gas pedal. Of course not when you're using the automatic car. We're not talking about an automatic car, because I was talking at the same time, I saw something like a car is over.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.